What if the hiccups don't stop? Then try this exercise. Press die one point. It usually takes about 3 minutes. Tonsillitis, pharyngitis. Then try this exercise. A family member in a coma after a stroke can try it before seeing a doctor. Heat stroke, you can try it. Do this exercise 3 to 5 minutes a day. There is a 110 years old man who began to practice this movement at the age of 60 and still maintain good health. Do this exercise 10 to 15 minutes every morning. People over 50 must practice every day. Improve ankle flexibility. Avoid sprained ankle. Do this exercise 20 times clockwise each foot. And 20 times counterclockwise each foot. This exercise will help you to clean up the trash and toxins from your bad mood. Improve breast health. Improve thyroid health. Do this exercise 36 times a day. This exercise will help you to relieve heart stress and fatigue. Relieve sore calves and varicose veins. Do this exercise 2 to 3 minutes each leg.